Welcome to SmartMusic! Once you have created your account, it is time to sign in. Enter your district email address, your password, and then click Login. This is your home page. Your assignments will be shown here. Click on Start next to one of the assignments to open it. The Select Part dialog box will open. Click on the arrow to open the menu of instruments. Then choose your instrument. If you play clarinet or trumpet, you need to select B-flat clarinet or B-flat trumpet. If you play saxophone, you need to select E-flat alto saxophone. The first time you do an assignment in SmartMusic, you will need to allow SmartMusic to use the microphone. Click OK. If there are any instructions for the assignment, they will then appear. Click on Close when you're done reading the instructions. We made it! This is what your home page will look like. The most important button here is the metronome adjustment. Use this tool to speed up or slow down the music to make it easier to play. The middle of the page shows the assignment you are playing and the instrument you are playing. The buttons in the middle that are green and red are the play and record buttons. The top sliders control the volume of the accompaniment, my part, and metronome. I will go over each of these now. First, I'm going to go over the tempo tool, how to change the speed the music is playing. If you need it to go slower, press the minus button. If you would like it to go faster, press the plus button. Now we're ready to practice. We're going to press the green play button in the middle. SmartMusic will count off, and then you play along with SmartMusic. This blue vertical bar will track the music for you as you play. The three toggles on the top, accompaniment, my part, and metronome, all control the volume of those parts that SmartMusic will play as you are playing. You can use the toggles to turn the volume of each one down or to tap the speaker to turn that part off. The accompaniment will be a music track that will play behind you of a band or orchestra. My part is a musical track of the part you are playing. The metronome is a click track keeping the steady beat. Once you have finished practicing and are ready to record and finish the assignment, you can click the red record button in the middle. If you get this message, just simply click Reset to Assigned Settings and then continue your recording. After you have finished your recording, SmartMusic will show you how well you did. I got 83% when I played. Click Close to go to the next screen. After you have finished taking a recording, SmartMusic will show you how you did. Green notes means the note was the right note and it was played at the right time. A red note means you played the wrong note. It will show you which note you played. A yellow note means that you played the right note, but you played it either too early or too late. You can listen back to your recording by pressing the blue play button. You can do as many takes as you want. So if you didn't do very well the first time, you can click the red record button again to try over. To see a list of all of your recordings, click My Takes at the top. A list will appear. You can select your best one from this list and then click Submit to turn that in to me. If you have another assignment that you need to do, you can click on the Home button to go back to the main screen. But Miss Nelson, I forgot how to play that note. No problem. Just tap on the note and then tap on the fingering symbol to the left, and the name of the note and the fingering chart for the note will appear. You can also use SmartMusic to access other songs in your method book. Tap on the name of the assignment in the middle of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. You can type the name of the song you are looking for, or you can type the number of the exercise you are looking for into the box. For example, you can find Jingle Bells by using the search function. You can also find your method book down at the very bottom of your home screen. You can click on the method book and then you can type in the movement number, or you can type in the name of the song you are looking for to open that selection. I hope you enjoy using SmartMusic.